Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to prevent other people from modifying your PDF? Adobe Acrobat allows you to lock a PDF from editing by applying password protection and documents permissions. This helps protect contracts, reports, forms, invoices, and other imported documents from unauthorized changes. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to lock a PDF from editing in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat, like launch Adobe Acrobat, open the PDF documents you want to protect. Verify that all edits are complete before applying restrictions. It's easier to finalize the documents before locking it. Okay, so open the protect tool, like select all tools, protect a PDF or tools, and then protect. This opens Acrobat security and permission settings. Okay, so the protect tool manages passwords and access restrictions. Okay, choose protect with password, like click protect with password, and Adobe Acrobat will ask what type of protection you want to apply. So password protection is the most common way to lock a PDF. Okay, so select editing restrictions, like choose editing instead of viewing. This allows people to open and read the PDF while preventing modifications. Okay, so editing restrictions are ideal for sharing finalized documents. Then create a strong password, like enter password for editing permissions. So good passwords typically include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special characters, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.